Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on US Highway 11 in Pennsylvania, beginning at mile 134 as we leave the borough of Danville. We enter the unincorporated community of Mechanicsville, one of 5 places in Pennsylvania with that name. Mechanicsville has its roots in a settlement established by laborers. Back in the day, the Bloomsburg trolley line used to run through the area, adding to its connectivity. In 1911, a silk mill was erected, contributing to the local economy and employment opportunities. Once a census-designated area, Mechanicsville recorded a population of 3,099 during the 2000 census. We're in Mahoning Township, which had a total estimated population of 4,604 as of 2021. The local name of US 11 here is Montour Boulevard, named for the county. We enter Cooper Township, named for Andrew Cooper, one of the first settlers in the area. In 1856, a church was constructed within the township. Throughout its history, the area has been known for its abundant mineral resources, including deposits of iron ore and limestone. In addition, limestone kilns were once operational within the township, further highlighting its industrial and geological significance. Here we enter Montour Township in Columbia County. Montour Township had a population of 1,263 as of the 2020 census. In the same year, Columbia County, within which the township resides, boasted a population of 64,727 people. Columbia County was established in 1813, carved out of Northumberland County. Its name, Columbia, reflects the nation's identity and honors Christopher Columbus. Situated within the central Pennsylvania region, the county contributes to the cultural and economic landscape of the state. Columbia County has been officially designated as the Bloomsburg-Berwick, Pennsylvania Metropolitan Statistical Area by the United States Office of Management and Budget. This classification recognizes the interconnectedness and shared economic ties between the communities of Bloomsburg, Berwick, and surrounding areas within the county. Here the highway temporarily becomes controlled access, and we see a double trumpet interchange with State Route 42. Pennsylvania Route 42 will briefly join us just long enough to cross Fishing Creek and then exit again to head north. As we cross Fishing Creek, we enter the town of Bloomsburg. I've mentioned earlier in the series that incorporated municipalities in Pennsylvania are cities, boroughs, townships, and in one case, towns. And Bloomsburg is the only incorporated town in Pennsylvania. McCandless Township, located in Allegheny County, presents an interesting case of nomenclature. Despite adopting a home rule charter in 1975 and officially adopting the name Town of McCandless, it retained its legal status as a township. This naming discrepancy often leads to confusion, as the term town typically implies a different form of local government than a township. In the case of McCandless, the adoption of the Home Rule Charter allowed for more local autonomy and flexibility in governance. but it did not alter the legal classification as a township. So while it may be referred to as the town of McCandless, legally it remains a township within Allegheny County. This unique situation highlights the complexities of local government structures and terminology, yet leaves Bloomsburg as the only incorporated town in Pennsylvania. The town is the county seat of Columbia County and had a population of 12,711 as of the 2020 census. In 1772, James McClure laid the foundation for what would become Bloomsburg, setting up a log cabin in the region. Initially, Bloomsburg was a modest village known as Bloom Township until the middle of the 19th century. However, everything changed with the discovery of ore in the area, leading to the rapid growth of an iron industry that transformed Bloomsburg into a thriving center of commerce. One of Bloomsburg's most notable events is the Bloomsburg Fair, which is the largest fair held in Pennsylvania. Established in 1855, this traditional agricultural fair celebrates the region's farming heritage and serves as a hub for community gatherings and festivities. Here we make a right turn onto East Street and hitch a ride with State Route 487 for a few blocks. US 11 turns left onto Columbia Boulevard as we head out of town, ending the concurrency with Pennsylvania 487. We'll finish up today at mile 144 as we leave the Bloomsburg town limits. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.